today. A Knoxville woman hired a repairman to fix a refrigerator 8 months ago, but the repair never really worked.
So the technician promised to return her money because there had been a warranty on the part, but she never received a dime.
Then 6 on Your Side consumer investigator Don Dare became involved, and he discovered the repairman, well, is well known by the Better Business Bureau. Don?
Well, that's exactly right, Bo. There are a number of complaints against his business. The appliance repair owner uses several business names, and we'll show you that in a moment. If you have ever had an appliance repaired, the invoice you receive should include the name of the part, its cost, and often the serial number. None of that information is found in the receipt left behind to an 84-year-old widow who has waited months to get her promised refund.
Patsy bought a new Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator in May after an appliance repairman failed to fix her Kenmore in January. This is the repair receipt left by Knox County Appliance on January 18th. The $600 part was a defroster unit with a 1-year warranty. There is, however, no part number on the receipt. Patsy has this picture of her old Kenmore. The repairman did return after installing the faulty part, but other efforts to fix it failed.
It never worked from the day he put it in. He put it in 1 hour later. Everything in my refrigerator, not my freezer, but my refrigerator, had froze solid, all my vegetables.
So he comes back the second day.
And he puts a little, acts like he's putting a little part in at the very front at the top of the refrigerator. And I put a cup of water in there. Within an hour after he left, that cup of water was frozen solid.
He comes back a third time?
Yes. And this time he goes to the side of the refrigerator next to your freezer side. I didn't even realize there was a panel there. And he took a piece of wiring out, maybe about that long, cut it off. Said, this will make it work. I put a cup of water in there. Within an hour, it was froze solid.
Remember this daily life in the Smokies?
Here is video of Phil Amos, the repairman Patsy hired. This is a blog that he posts. Tony Binkley at the Better Business Bureau found the video after numerous complaints were made about Amos. Patsy confirmed to 6 on Your Side the man seen in the video is the repairman she hired. His businesses go by several names.
Well, we've seen at least 2 or 3 different names. One's Appliance Repair Services. We've seen Knox County Appliances, Knox County Repair. They're all similar invoices.
For 2 months, a series of messages were left with Phil Amos of Knox County Appliance. So your daughter-in-law gets in touch with him?
Yes.
And starts sending him text messages?
Yes.
In this message, Amos writes, help is on the way. The tech is planning on coming on Thursday morning, 9 and 12. But refunds don't get mailed out till May 10th.
He's saying to my daughter-in-law that he's going to make this right, that he's going to give me a refund.
She will get the refund no matter what. I will make sure of that. Even if I take it to her in person. He's never given you any money back.
No money.
Or even come back.
No, or even call me back.
So we made a call to Patsy's repairman. Is this Mr. Amos?
Yes, it is.
Phil Amos told us Patsy was sent a check, but it was returned to his business several months ago. You mailed out a check to her?
We did mail out a check, but it kept coming back to us because we had that 37922.
Right. Did you then call her to find out what the correct address was?
I don't know if they did or not.
Apparently not, because here she is right here. You never got it?
I never got the check, and if you knew the zip code when you came out, how come you didn't know the zip code when you sent the check out?
I don't know, ma'am. I'm sorry about that.
Mr. Amos, will you be sending her the check?
Yes, we will. Yes.
He got the check.
Yes, I did.
Surprised?
Surprised.
The amount on the check is $711.83.
That's the total amount I paid him. Well, I'm thankful that I got the check back.
While Patsy is pleased to have her money, she wonders about the records kept by Knox County Appliance. When we first talked with her last week, she gave Phil Amos her address, including her zip code, information that was not on the original receipt. But Patsy said 3 days later, Amos called her back asking for the same information. Fortunately, he got it right that time, and tonight she has her money. We're glad that we could assist. Bo?
Yeah, no doubt. Good job, Don. Patsy, we're happy for you. Glad you got your money back. Hey, if you have a consumer question for Don, take a moment, send him an email at ddare@wat.com or give him a call at 865-633-6923.